Hey guys, I'm making my first ever makeup tutorial. We're gonna start off first with putting on some elf ears. Ooh, and a quick bong rip. I gotta smoke a bit less and maybe make some edibles, my lungs are dying. First thing I'm gonna put on my face is some shea butter. Putting it on some blemishes that I have, making sure I'm nice and hydrated. I kind of give myself a little bit of a face massage, so this can sometimes take a little bit. The next thing I'm using is some Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer. I really like this stuff. It sits into my skin really nice and makes my pores really smooth, and a really nice canvas for whatever I'm going to put on next. Now I'm using an e.l.f. concealer that matches my skin tone. It's the 24-hour last version. I don't like to use like heavy foundations across my whole face, so I tend to just start in the spots that are the most discolored for my skin tone, and just, yeah, spread it all around, making little dots, not applying too much, and just going as needed. And I don't currently have a clean beauty blender or anything, so I'm just gonna rub this in with my fingers. Make sure if you're doing this, your hands are very clean so you don't get anything icky in your skin. Yeah, and just keep smoothing that out. And like I said, this is my first makeup tutorial, so I wasn't quite sure how long I should make it, so I decided that I'm going to make this long version and then another shorts version for shorts and TikTok and Instagram, so definitely check out that version as well, guys. Yeah, and comment below and let me know what kind of style you guys want to see me do these makeup tutorials in the future. Also, if you guys want to see me take a crack at any specific type of cosplay makeup, anything like that, this was a lot of fun to create, so I definitely want to do more like it in the future. And after your concealer is all good and ready and even, make sure you get any spots you might have missed all smoothed out and good to go. Do a second layer on any like special needed spots if you need. And make sure you're staying hydrated. Have a little sip of tea if you need to. Little tongue boop. And a quick bonk break. Alright, time to dip into the eyeshadow. I'm going to start with this blue palette that's kind of broken that I got from Colourpop. We're going to use that light blue color in there. We're going to start that on the tops of our eyelids. And I'm using a medium fluffy brush that I got from Eco Tools. It's one of my favorite brushes to use. And spread and blend that all over the tops of the lids. And on the lower lids as well. We're going for a little bit of a blue raccoon look at the moment. And blend out the color. And then you're going to dip into this Colourpop Amethyst palette, or some other kind of like light, almost a gray purple, like kind of like a lilac shimmery color. Then you're going to go in on the corners of the lids, and also down to the bottom a little bit. Spread from the inner corner out, trying to blend the colors together a little bit in the middle of the lid. And then we're going to add that same color to the lower corner, outer corner of the eyes. And we're going to blend that as well. Alright, now we're going to take a wide, fluffy brush. This one's from Eco Tools as well. And we're going to wipe off any excess shadow that might have fallen below. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Now I'm going to go in with a baby Eco Tools brush. And we're going to go into this really nice dark amulet color. It's a dark shimmery purple. I really love this color. And then I am putting that color in the outer corner of my eye. I decided it wasn't pigmented enough, so I took some setting spray and I sprayed the brush with it, so you can see that it comes out much more pigmented that way. I'm pretty much giving myself like a little wing with this shimmery color. Going in on the tops of the lids as well. Alright, now I'm going in with this other longer fluffy brush with one of my favorite colors from this palette. It's this beautiful shimmery purple color. I love this color so much, and I'm putting that all over the tops of my lids. I'm also blending out the edges of that darker purple wing a little bit, just to make sure everything looks like nice and neat and no like rough edges on anything. Now I'm going in with the shimmery white color from the palette, and I'm going to be using that on the inner corner of my eyes. Oh, quick sneeze. Oopsies. Bless me. And continue. And I'm spreading that on the top and the lower inner corner of my lids. And now I am blending it out and wiping off any excess again. And now I'm going to go in with this face powder. It's a climate change pledge friendly brand that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to go over the parts that I concealed earlier. I like to do my powder after I do my eyeshadow, just in case, you know, stuff falls on my face and I need to use a Q-tip and like put more concealer on top of it. I'm okay to do that without there already being setting powder on my face. So I'm just gonna blend that out in the places I feel I need it and set that concealer. I am now going in with my Pacifica eyebrow brow gel wispy thingy thing, and I'm just filling in my brows and combing my hairs and making sure they're in their right places. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this Milani blush that I've had for quite a while. And I'm gonna dip my brush in that, and I'm gonna put that all over my tip of my nose and also on my cheeks. After you're done with your blush, go in with the white shimmery shade and use it as a highlighter. I use mine on the tips of my nose and the like cheekbone. I just like dab that on there with my fingers. Now I'm going in with a NYX. I believe it's a butter gloss in this like nice pink shade. I like how it's not very drying, it feels super smooth, and it also kind of acts a little bit like a lip stain. Oh, another bong rag. And for eyeliner, I am using this Easy on the Eyes. It's a super thin liner. I believe it's from Tarte, but it's one of my favorite eyeliners right now. And then I made a wing on both sides, and then I'm extending that out a little bit, filling it in. I'm doing a thin line over my eyelids as well. I finished my eyeliner off camera, but I also did like a little line on the bottom, and I extended it all the way to the inner corner. And now I'm going in with this Lift and Define 5D Lash Waterproof from Revolution Beauty. And I do multiple layers on the top and bottom lashes. I don't tend to wear false lashes very much, but I do layer it up on the mascara, and I really like the effect that that gives me. And I think we are done. This is the final look, guys. And oh god, quick sneeze. Okay, bless me. But yeah, this is the final look. Styling my hair a little bit. Don't judge me, I cut it myself. My bangs are a little messed up, but that's okay. It's cute, we work with it. Ballin' on a budget. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick too, because I thought it was super cute. But yeah, this was my first makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know if I could do anything different or if you have any recommendations in the comments below. I hope you guys have a super amazing day. Much love to you guys. Be safe.